If you've been curious about the just released AI Barbie software that everyone's suddenly talking about, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. I've tested it myself, and what I found might surprise you. And yes, you can try AI Barbie completely free using the first link in the description. No credit card, no commitment. But stick with me, because there's something very clever about how this AI works. And if you're in digital marketing, content creation, or even e-commerce, it might just give you an edge most people won't know about. So what makes AI Barbie different? First off, this isn't some cute gimmick tool. It's a surprisingly powerful AI engine wrapped in a playful, user-friendly interface. It's designed to help you generate content, respond to messages, craft social media captions, even design visual ideas, all with a tone and voice that's creative, upbeat, and surprisingly persuasive. Underneath the surface, it's powered by a custom-tuned LLM, not just GPT-4 slapped into a pink UI. That means it understands prompt context well, especially if you're asking it to write like a brand, influencer, or niche product. It's way more on-brand than generic AI writers. It's also fast, real-time generation, minimal loading, and it remembers what you're working on across tasks. If you're building a campaign or social calendar, you can actually keep your tone consistent across 10 posts without repeating yourself. That's a game changer for creators and digital marketers. Another thing, the persona settings are wildly effective. You can toggle between Barbie-style sass, classy elegance, or even a corporate voice, and it'll deliver accordingly. So whether you're writing a fun Instagram caption or a serious product page, AI Barbie adjusts on the fly. The Visuals Assistant is still in beta, but even now, it's letting users generate basic brand mockups and mood boards based on text prompts. I tried modern skincare brand for Gen Z, and it gave me a clean color palette, tagline suggestions, and even ad copy I could use. It's like having a mini branding agency on demand. Now here's where it really caught my attention. AI Barbie is surprisingly good at email copy. Most AI tools give you robotic output. This one adds emotional flair, urgency, and human-style transitions that are actually conversion-friendly. It even suggests split test variations. Now, tiny heads up, the platform isn't built for long-form blog writing just yet. It shines for bite-sized, high-conversion content. Think TikTok scripts, product descriptions, newsletter blurbs. If that's your world, this tool is tailored for you. And finally, if you're wondering whether this is just a TikTok trend with no real utility, don't underestimate it. I've reviewed thousands of AI tools. AI Barbie is one of the very few that gets how tone matters in 2025's digital world. That's why I'm recommending it to my audience. Again, you can try AI Barbie completely free using the first link below. No payment details needed. And if you want to see my top recommended AI tools after testing thousands, check the full list in the description. I've handpicked the ones that actually give ROI.